welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and if you're not, thank you so much for watching my videos and all the comments you all leave. It really means so much to me, and I do apologize. I've had so much going on with my mom being really sick, and Levi wasn't feeling good, and then I ended up with a really bad migraine, so I am a bit delayed on getting my videos out, but I'm going to catch up this week. I like to try to put out at least 3 or 4 a week, if not more, and I haven't been able to do any new videos since about a week and a half, so I am going to show you all one of my Boxycharm Premiums. This is, I got variation 12 in this one, and this one weighed 2.3 pounds. So let me show you what I got. Let me get the calculator brought up so I can tell you all what it was worth. Now this one, the one I got to choose, but this one was the one I didn't get to make a choice because they were already out of all of the choices and had already shut it down before I got to even look at it on this one. But I still got the Henriksen Fat Glow Facial. I have not tried this yet. It says instantly exfoliates and illuminates with PHAs and Nordic birch sap. It's a mask. It is 1.74 ounces. And that is what that looks like. Let's see what it looks like. It really is like, it feels like a clay type mask. Yeah, I think that's what it will be once it dries. I'm going to put it right there on my arm, and we'll come back if I don't forget and see how it dries. So, and it feels full. That will probably last a good while. And Henriksen, the only thing I've ever tried from this brand is the banana primer we got, I think it was last month, and I like that one okay, and I hear that's a really good brand, and that retails for $50. So let's add that. It says get flawless skin in a flash with PHAs, the no downtime exfoliating acid, and key ingredient in Olay's first one-step at-home facial. What makes PHAs so special? They're fat, literally like AHAs. PHAs deliver skin-perfecting, age-fighting results, but PHAs are just a little plumper. I'm eager to try that and see if it really does anything. They're a bigger molecule, so they don't go as deep as they loosen up the glue that binds the surface layer of skin together and reveal the newer, fresher skin underneath. That means less irritation and recovery time for everyone, even sensitive types. And like I said, that retails for $50. And then I did get the Eloise Queen eyeshadow palette, and this retails for $46. Let's add that. It says the Queen palette possesses immense energy of life, femininity, and strength. Each color tells a story. Each color holds infinite power and carries a unique narrative. Are highly pigmented colors which are suitable for all ranges of skin tones, are inspired by stories, tales, and legends of kingdoms, taking you through a journey in time from the past to the present, an era of femininity, grace, and power. A queen lies in us all. Okay, so let's see what she looks like. And I will do a video on this here soon too. Look at the pretty colors. Let me swatch a few. Let's do Elizabeth. That's a pretty pink. Let's do one matte. And then I will do more. See, that looks like a shimmer there. I will do more soon when I do it. Let's see. There's Elizabeth. And look at that shimmer. And that shimmer is called Curtsy. So that was the swatches from my other palette video I just did. So there's those two. Let's do Sovereign. Let's try this blue. Ooh, look at that. That's a pretty blue. Look at that. Whoa. Man, that just feels like butter. Okay, so that's a really nice palette. So, got that. Like I said, it retails for $46. And then I got this Milk Makeup. What is this? Sorry about that. Milk Makeup Highlighter. A dewy, everyday champagne pearl hued cream highlighter stick that glides on for a natural glow. This retails for $28. So let's look at this. I haven't tried a whole lot of Milk products. I have some to try, but I'll try them as I get to where I can do the videos to show you all. So it comes like that. Take that off. If you can see that, it's a bit bright. Let me see if I can turn that down a little bit. Let's see. I'm just learning. Let's see, can you see it now? I'm just learning how to use my, let's see if I can put it down here. There it is. I don't know if might be a bit dark for my skin. We'll have to try it one day and see. I don't know how that will work. It almost looks a bit dark for my skin for a highlighter. What do y'all think? Okay, did I say the price on that? I think I did. $28, yeah. And then I got, let's see, Stella waterproof eyeliner and the color Spice. This retails for $22. It says smudge stick is available in an array of shades that stay, not stray, for reliable color payoff that's second to none. Moisturizing ingredients ensure color glides on smooth, and the waterproof formula that won't budge or fade. What's more, it can be used as a classic pencil liner or a smudgy eyeshadow. So let's see I don't know why this thing keeps clicking off. Let's see what color this is. It looks like a brown. Well, it's called Spice, so I'm sure it is. So there's that. Let's see here. Let me find this. Ooh, yeah, it is really nice and smooth. It does smudge for a few seconds. Huh. That is a really nice. Okay, I'll have to do a review on this. I've had some people ask me about Waterline and I don't like giving any kind of opinion until I've actually tried something. So I will do a review on that here soon. Well, I've got some other ones I'm trying to review too on the Waterline to tell you all how well it holds up, because I know that's where a lot of people are mentioning, wanting to know about things that work well for the Waterline. And like I said, I don't like giving any kind of review, negative or positive, without finding out for sure for myself if it's really a good, or I don't want to tell you even that it's bad and then it be good and lead somebody wrong in either way. So the next item I have is the Emma Harding Brilliance Facial Oil, hydrating and lightweight. The Brilliance Facial Oil from Emma Harding massages deep into the skin so you can achieve a natural looking glow. Multi-active, this formula is crafted with potent essential oils that soothe and purify skin, while camelina oil offers antioxidant protection from free radical damage. And that retails for $55. So let's look at this. I do like, oh, that's a really pretty, it's glass, it's not plastic. I do like glass over plastic. Oh, there it is. They just like an oil. Let me smell it for you. I can smell essential oils, but I can't really place what I'm smelling. It's a really pretty, I mean, it's not a terrible smell. It actually smells very similar to some other oils I've tried, but I don't know what I'm smelling. I'm never been really good at smelling things, and even perfumes, being able to tell the top notes or whatever they call it and the under notes, and I'm just not good at, I know the smells that I like, but I'm not good at smelling things out and figuring out what I'm smelling. I've never been, I don't know what you call it, I've had a really strong sniffer, I don't know how else to say it. I've never been really, now my dad was, he could smell, he could be asleep and smell things and wake up wanting to know why he's smelling certain things, but I've never, I don't know if that's a blessing or a curse, because it used to really, smells used to really bug him, so it might be better not to be able to smell that good. But yeah, I've never been able to smell extremely good at different scents. And then I got the ice roller for your overworked sensitive skin. I actually was wanting one of these from the FabFitFun and didn't get it, and now I got it here. Let's see, this retails for $18. Okay, it says a dewy, no, that's the wrong one. This ice roller is your new at-home facial. Made with high-quality surgical stainless steel, it helps calm inflammation, increase blood circulation, and alleviate sore muscles, tension, and headaches. Recommended daily use for best results. And this retails for $18, making my total box value $219. I think it was a fairly good box. Again, probably not my absolute favorite box ever, but it, for the price tag, we more than get our, I mean, any of these items, if we were to go buy any of these items, we would pay more than what the box was. So I don't know that. I usually look at it as if there's one item that I would go out and purchase myself, then the box more than paid for itself. And I couldn't say that because I haven't tried these products yet. This oil looks like really good, and this Henriksen looks like it would be really good product. So either one of those more than pays for the box. So let's go see what that, I don't know if you can see it, but it's really tacky. I don't know, it's been long enough that I don't know what it's supposed to do. I assume it's supposed to be tacky, and I'm getting my eyeshadow smeared on it. But yeah, it's really tacky. I will read up more on that, but I assume that's what it's supposed to be doing. So I appreciate you all so much for watching, and I will see you all very soon. And please remember to click the thumbs up button for me. Bye bye. I love you guys.